Okay, so in this video we will do something different. We will unbox this Lamp One from Moonside and try it out to be as a smart lamp for example, when reading. So you have some reading light when you read with e-ink devices, so you don't need to have the front light on your e-reader, for example. So this lamp could be a reading lamp for you in any color you prefer. You can use a smartphone app for your iPhone or Android phone to do some settings and different lights and so on this one. And you can of course use it for other stuff like a party lamp, because it has inbuilt sensors that feels the music you're playing and changes colors during what music you play and so on. So it's a quite nifty smart lamp. So we will do an unboxing and then try it on a bit in this video. As you can see, it's a Moonside design. Quite nice packaging actually. So we will open this. You will also find links down below in the description text where you can buy this, of course. I destroyed the box there. So okay. Here we have a power plug for Europe, Sweden, as you see, and also a USB type A for charging. Nice. And we also have a USB type A to USB-C for charging. Quite short cable, maybe 1 meter or so, but anyway, it was in the box. We also have some card here and a QR code to download the app. And here we have the very small lamp. Quite nice in size, as you see here. Oh, feels nice. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, this is hold on, I need some glasses here. Probably I should press that button when pairing it with my smartphone app, is my guess. So let's plug this in into some power. I'm cheating here and taking a cable I already have into power. Of course you should use this if you have it in another room or so. But now I plug this in like so, and it starts immediately, as you see. Let's do this. I will show you when I have a bit darker in this room too, but now we will see if we can pair this with the app. As you see here, I have already installed Moonside app. And you need to allow it to use Bluetooth. Add new device. Start pairing. Like so. Yes, it finds a device, as you can see here. And now we just connect it. Very easy to pair it, so you don't need any instructions actually. So just click start pairing when you start the lamp first time. Here you can name it if you want, but I have it finished set up like so. We have an account if you want. You can buy more lamps and different lights, of course, from their web page. And here we can go into some settings. We turn it off, turn it on. And here we can choose the different strength of it. We can also choose color, of course, and a lot of different stuff. So let's try this when doing the room a bit darker. Maybe not dark enough, but a bit darker at least. And here we now have a lamp with different settings. I need some glasses again, sorry. We can have effects. We can have a dancing ocean. We can have a pink ball, Greenland, dancing beat, and a lot of different effects, as you can see. I don't know yet how to turn off effects if you want to use it just like a lamp. You can set it to bright for reading, for example. We can have focus light like this for reading. That's nice. But we take it like this, as you see here now. We have a lamp, and if it stays here, we can see how good it is for reading on ebooks, on an ebook reader. Now, as you see, down here we have the front light off. So now if I sit here and reading, you see how good this lamp is for reading. Really bright and great to have for reading at the side of you when reading a book. This is a great lamp for reading ebooks on an e-reader, as you see. Very, very nice light. This is the bright settings. We can have focus like this, then it gets a bit bluish, as you see. So I prefer the bright here. We can also have energetic like this. We can have cool, relax, really nice. Bedtime. I love it actually. So this is a really nifty small lamp you can use for reading ebooks, for example. But of course you can use it for a lot more. You can have it for different effects and so on, as I show you. So for example, like this, if you do it like this, you see the lamp a bit better, like so. We can remove the ebook reader again. And we can, of course, do some settings with the color here. Set color. You need to click set color after you have done some changes, as you see that. So if I want to have this color, I can do this. If I want to have this color, I can do this. If I want to have this, I can do this. You understand what I mean? So that's really nice. We can also paint. So we can have different colors on different places on the lamp. So I can have this and this. Quite nice. Love that. So you can do a lot of cool stuff with this lamp. I love that. and I really love all these different effects. I love that. So you can have different nice features here. RGB beat, for example, unz, unz, unz. It have built-in sensors, so when I'm speaking here, it changes when I'm talking and so on. So that's really nice too. Very cool. Okay. Okay, so go check the links down below in the description text where to buy this. It's very nice and fun lamp to be used, and you have all you need in the box. You have a power plug, you have a cable, so you don't need to have anything else. So just plug it in with a USB-C cable, as you see here. USB-C to anything, and you are good to go. I really love this lamp, so I can highly recommend this. Go check it out. Love it so far. I will use it a lot. Actually, so easy and so light in the hand. You can have it everywhere you go. Just plug it in a charger somewhere and use it. You even actually don't need this, because if you have a USB-C power anywhere else, just use that cable and plug it in. It's so easy. Simple. Okay. Bye.